Hi everyone, happy to meet you all again. Mr. Jaggi Vasudevan, famously known as Sadhguru, advised people not to consume brinjals as they contain a poisonous chemical that can damage our brain. There are too many factual contradictions in what he said about brinjal. Let's see them one by one.
So this is the only other vegetable which
First of all, brinjal is not a vegetable, it's a fruit. Let's not take this part serious as we all use it as a vegetable. The problem starts from here.
actually has some poison in it. There is a certain chemical called cytidine.
There is no such chemical exists in this world known as cytidine. The fun fact is his own followers are confused of what he is talking about and few of them named it as serotonin and few of them named it as solanine in their videos. Considering the fact that he is from non-medical background, let us assume that the word was mispronounced. If we consider the word as serotonin, serotonin is a neurotransmitter produced by our body and usually known as happy hormone that makes you feel good. But unfortunately, serotonin is not present in any food including brinjal. Let us now assume the correct word to be solanine. This makes some sense because solanine is present in brinjal and it can be toxic in higher dose. But solanine is not a chemical that is found only in brinjal. Solanine is present in all plant that belongs to Solanaceae family. For example, potato, tomatoes, bell pepper, that is capsicum, and even green chilies belongs to this family, and hence all of these vegetables contains this chemical. When it comes to brinjal, solanine is not at all a concern. To get solanine toxicity by eating brinjal, you must actually eat 500 kilogram of brinjal in one sitting. Can anyone eat this much of brinjal in one sitting?
which damages your hypothalamus. You know what's hypothalamus? The rear part of your brain.
Finally, even in solanine toxicity, there is no special mechanism exists that it can directly target your hypothalamus.
Especially if you have growing children in your family, brinjal should be banished, eggplant should be banished, otherwise you'll sabotage their intelligence before they grow up.
Contrary to what Sadhguru says, anthocyanins present in brinjal may actually improve brain function. It also provides other excellent health benefits like reducing the risk of heart disease and reducing the risk of cancer. Please include brinjal in your child's healthy diet plan. Please do not forget to leave your opinion in comment box and please subscribe if you find this content useful. Thanks for watching. Good day.